Samsung has already released its first TriFold smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold, making the TriFold concept a reality rather than just a future idea. This cutting-edge device unfolds twice via two hinges to reveal a large 10-inch AMOLED display that bridges the gap between a phone and a tablet, offering immersive multitasking, media-rich viewing, and enhanced productivity in one form factor. It launched first in South Korea on December 12, 2025, and has since begun limited sales in select markets such as the UAE and other early launch regions, where it sold out quickly due to high demand and low initial supply. The Z TriFold combines a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, robust memory and storage options, and an advanced camera system to deliver flagship-level performance alongside its unique foldable design. Although it's currently produced in limited quantities and initially targeted at a niche market, this TriFold device signals Samsung's serious push into multi-fold innovations and shows that TriFold smartphones are now commercially available, not just speculative technology.